Convert image to SVG.
First, go to online-convert.com. Scroll down and select Image Converter, then choose Convert to SVG. Click on Choose File. Choose your image and upload it. Click Start to convert the file. Now download the SVG file.
Apply SVG texture.
Import your cylinder model into Bambu Studio. Use Place on Face to put the part on the build plate. Use the Cut tool and cut the model in half from the center. Click Add Connectors to add alignment pins. Select Snap, then choose Circle and adjust the size. Then switch to the front view to place the pins. Click on the model to add the pins. After placing the pins, click Confirm Connectors. Then click Perform Cut to split the model. Right-click on the model. Select Add Part, then choose SVG. Select your SVG texture file. Adjust depth, resize, enable Use Surface, then select Cut. Use the yellow square to move the texture on the model. Repeat the same steps for the other half of the cylinder. Now import the second part and repeat the process. Now import the third part.
Slice and print.
Supports are needed for the pins. Enable supports in the Support tab. Click Arrange to automatically space the parts. Then click Arrange. Then click Slice Plate. Click Print Plate to send it to the printer.
Printing process. Final assembly and result.